What do you do when your Windows computer does not start, keeps crashing, or shows a black screen? The answer might be Windows Safe Mode. So what is Safe Mode? That is the topic of today's video. Safe Mode is a special Windows startup mode that loads only the essential drivers and systems services. Basically, Windows Safe Mode is a built-in diagnostic state for your computer to fix problems that prevent Windows from working normally. It allows you to troubleshoot issues by starting Windows with a minimal set of drivers and services required to run the operating system. When you boot into Safe Mode, non-essential programs, third-party software, custom settings, and peripheral drivers are disabled. This makes it an ideal environment to fix problems caused by software conflicts, corrupted drivers, or malware. Let's go a little more deeper into it. When your computer starts in Safe Mode, Windows skips extra drivers like graphics, printer, and audio. Startup apps and most third-party software are also disabled. This creates a clean environment so you can find out what's causing the problem. When to use Safe Mode? Use Safe Mode if your PC is stuck in boot loop, crashes after installing a driver, gets infected with malware, or becomes very slow after installing software. It helps you uninstall faulty drivers, remove viruses, restore your system, or fix startup issues. Types of Safe Mode. There are 3 types of Safe Mode. Simple Safe Mode. It loads only the basic Windows components. Safe Mode with networking. It includes the network drivers and services needed to access the internet or your local network. This is useful if you need to download drivers or search for solutions online. Safe Mode with command prompt. It loads only the command line instead of the standard Windows graphical interface. This is intended for advanced users who need to perform deep system repairs. How to enter Safe Mode? If you are already in Windows, the easiest way is open the Start menu and click the power icon. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and click Restart. Your computer will boot to a blue screen menu. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, then Restart. After your computer restarts, you will see a list of options. Press 4 for Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with networking, and 6 for Safe Mode with command prompt. Okay, so in conclusion, Windows Safe Mode is one of the most useful troubleshooting tools. It helps you diagnose and fix many Windows problems without reinstalling the operating system. Alright, so this was all about Windows Safe Mode. I hope this video will help you troubleshoot basic Windows problems. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.